That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW X5. So what we need to do, the phone's paired to the vehicle. If we go over to media, you'll see there it's on FM. If I turn that down though, if I move the eye control down, I can select what I want, what music I want to play or where I want it to play from. So I want it to play from my phone, Barry's iPhone there. So that's it. If I go to music, turn this up, that's it, that's how you play music.